What's the meaning of all out? All out. All out. All out. All out. All out.
The phrase, all out, means to put forth the greatest possible effort. It implies a complete and total commitment to achieving a goal, often at the cost of one's own physical or mental well-being. The result of going all out can vary depending on the situation, but it typically involves an intense level of focus, determination, and perseverance. This can lead to great success or accomplishment, but can also result in exhaustion, burnout, or even failure if not managed properly. Overall, going all out is a high-stakes endeavor that requires careful consideration and planning.